for us, my favorite feature would probably be delivery forecast. Just seeing all your empty vessels right in there, highlight from top to bottom, and generate tickets. I mean, you can create 50 tickets in 10 seconds, and that's huge. We don't actually print them, so then they're digitally created, and then they're routed directly into scheduler. The dispatcher then takes them, drops them on the day that they're going to go to get delivered. The driver logs in that day, and there's his tickets in order to deliver. All of those applications working together in one single system is a huge efficiency gain for us.
Our routes coming out of our St. Cloud location, we've got like 350 customers on that one. It's fairly small. Like I said, he did 6 to 7 hours a week. He's probably down to 45 minutes now to create the route for the next week. So we've gained 90% of his time almost. And then we've got another branch with roughly 2,500 customers. She was spending over a day and a half to do 1 week's route. And now she's down to under 3 hours. Or 3 to 4 hours. So huge, more efficient for us. The guy that does our deliveries here in St. Cloud, he can now go out and do other things, either installs or repairs and stuff at the same time that he would have been creating a route.